Hey guys, welcome back to TheStruggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new deals to share with you. We have Amazon, Walmart, and Lowe's. Everything's going to be linked down below. Lowe's has a really good deal of the day today. But because, obviously, deal of the day, it's only good for one day. We're going to save that for a little bit later, so people watching on the 29th, 30th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th don't immediately get struck with the deal that's already been expired. First deal is Amazon Magnetic Induction Heater 1100 watt handheld bolt remover by Solari. So these things are super popular, but always expensive. Always expensive. We had a really good deal. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? It was before Prime Day on this. It was really popular, but I did get some comments, emails, people saying that they didn't get in on the deal in time and that they missed out on it. So here is your second chance. This is on sale right now for $129.99. It says normally $259.99. Now, if you go to this button here and go to the Amazon page, if you've noticed now, Amazon has added a little button where you can check the price history of any product when you're on the product page. So if you click that little button and the box pops up, you can see that this has consistently been $260, and then a little while ago they dropped it to somewhere around $200, and then much recently it just came down to $129.99. Of course, that can change at any time, but that is the price right now. So if you've been wanting one of these things, it's a really good deal on it, and this one specifically has some good reviews, and the price has dropped significantly. If you really don't know what this is, it kind of a replacement for a torch, I guess. You can heat up nuts and bolts and things, anything that's rusty and crusty, anything where adding heat is beneficial is the goal. It's a little safer. I mean, you don't have an open flame blowing all over stuff. You're not melting rubber potentially that's like nearby. But you got these different coils that you slap on the end of there, different shapes and everything or sizes. And you heat it up and break it free. $129.99, so no promo code or coupon needed on that, just a sale price. But if you missed out on the first one, go ahead and take advantage of that one. Over at Walmart, we got a little giant ladder, 22-foot multi-position aluminum ladder with wheels. Normally $250 down to $197.03. Love the multi-positions, first off. Also, you're going to get this to you shipped for free, which is really great for a ladder, something that's big, heavy, and bulky. Love the multi-position ladders, but especially love when you can get a good name brand like Little Giant. Remember the infomercials they've had for like 20 years now? But whether you're working on stairs or need as an extension ladder, an A-frame ladder, it's like 10 ladders in one. The only thing I would say is a downside to these is they are heavy, much heavier than just a traditional ladder, but you got so many things going on. If you don't mind the extra weight, you'll be all right. $197.03 over at Walmart, free shipping. On Amazon, we got a box cutter, retractable metal utility knife, extra 15 blades, heavy-duty razor knife by Votrek. You see we got the blade storage there. I love that. I bought a 2-pack of Craftsman utility knives, and it was so weird because it was a 2-pack. One had blade storage in the handle, the other did not. Otherwise, if you just held the two, it'd be very hard to tell them apart. I'm like, what the hell? Why would there even be a model without the blade storage? Someone was looking around me like, no, piss on that blade storage. I hate blade storage. I hate convenience. I want to walk over to my workbench or the truck or something to have to put in a new blade. I don't want one just in the knife ready to go. It's weird. Anyway, you have all the blade storage there, all the extra blades. $9.99, but right now on the Amazon page, there is a 50% clickable coupon, so you only pay $4.99. Of course, Prime members are going to get free shipping, get a brand new razor knife, all them extra blades, $4.99. Really loved this deal. I thought it was kind of cool, and I haven't seen it before. Hyper Tough 28-inch steel tool cart, 500-pound capacity. It looks like we got the 2-drawer. You got the lift top, of course, the tray at the bottom, the handle on the side. Normally $150 down to $99. Now, I'm showing you the blue one, but if you go to Walmart's website, that button right there, you will see all the different color options. There was like 6 different colors. The only thing I noticed was sold out was pink. So, you know, happy Pride Month, but the pink one was already sold out. But the soccer fans, again, happy Pride Month. DeWalt 142-piece mechanic tool set, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive, SAE and metric in the handy-dandy case. It's on sale right now for $109. You'll notice you're getting a nice set of wrenches there, getting 2 ratchets, the driver, a bunch of sockets, different hex keys and bits, things of that nature. It looks like even some socket adapters there. You can chuck in an impact driver. 109. Now that is price matching Home Depot 109, Acme Tools 175.99, and Ace Hardware 179.99. You know, one thing about this competitor pricing box, because my website is tracking the prices from these three retailers, which you can always see up at the top here from those menu options. This is live pricing that updates every single day, as well as the Amazon price. So even if you're seeing this 2-3 weeks later, you can check out this page, and all of this will be updated pricing for whatever it is currently, because that's what updating pricing is. So 109 on your mechanic set from DeWalt. Back to Walmart, we have a rechargeable flashlight with side light. Love the side light. Lightweight and durable by day better. A week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, we had their UV light, which is pretty similar function. It was a flashlight, but UV light, black light, so you can see all the bodily fluids that are around you that you are swimming in. This is a regular flashlight. It is rechargeable, which is nice to see. $17.99 down to $9.99 for the day better. By the way, on the sidebar, if you haven't noticed, we have all of the songs that I've written and posted on various streaming platforms, posted them on the Struggleville 2 channel. But also one thing that I noticed on Spotify, the Long Dark Shadow song is the most popular, which is just kind of a cool thing to me for something that, you put together and do. A little bit different than the YouTube videos, obviously. But it was really nice to see that it had a bunch of streams. It has a bunch of streams. I was kind of surprised on just Spotify. I don't use Spotify, so I know it wasn't from me specifically. But I also haven't mentioned these songs to you guys in several months, so I know it's not even YouTube subscribers. It is an organic viewing or listening of the song. So we're going to take a super quick break, 20 seconds or so. I'm going to play a portion of that song for you, and again, I'll link it down below or in a pinned comment.
They're all just staring at the ghost they clearly see. The jagged coal-stained shape walking next to me. They don't see the man I am. They see my yesterday, like a death that's never paid, no matter what I pray.
So I am going to be posting a new song next week. It's all ready to go if you want to check that out. Make sure to follow on whatever streaming platform you use, Spotify, Amazon, Apple Music, YouTube. It's on all of them. 32-in-1 T-handle magnetic ratchet screwdriver set. We're not going to go too much into this because this was the item that I showed you guys in the video yesterday. I really was surprised with it. It just, when I first got it, I thought, I don't know. Is it going to be like junky feeling, Because I've seen a bunch of these and I thought, you know what, they're really useful. They look good, so let's give it a shot. What does it hurt to give it a shot? I was actually really impressed. It's pretty nice. $21.99, 40% promo code. We got two different options for you to try there. These were working yesterday. If you missed that video, you can watch it here and get a little more up close, in-depth look at it. Walmart, 2250 watt portable inverter generator, gasoline powered, quiet, lightweight by NextPow. Normally $578, $300 off, down to $278.99. Again, that is 2250 watt. Amazon Cold Steel Trailhawk, like that name. American Hickory handle. Got to have that hickory handle. It's going to be $21.74 right now on Amazon. That's just a sale price, no promo code or coupon needed. But if we look at some comparables, Knife Work sell it for $32.99. Blade HQ $31.95. I believe you'll have to add a shipping charge to either of those. So after shipping, you're at about half price on Amazon. It says one size. I was looking for, does it actually say the size in inches? $21.74. Always got to know how many inches. Walmart Fiskars Steel Rotary. Do you measure from the top or the bottom on a Trailhawk? I don't know. Fiskars Steel Rotary Cultivator. Garden Tool. Extendable handle. Normally $58 down to $34.88. 40 to 60 inch telescoping garden tool. It's kind of neat that it's telescoping. I like that. I don't think I've seen that in too many garden tools. It's height adjustable. Do a little gardening. I'm not a big gardener. It's playing in the dirt, in the hot sun, sweating your ass off, getting sunburned. I don't know. And I don't like vegetables, really. I mean, if I could grow ground beef in a garden, I might be for it. But lettuce? Oh, you keep your lettuce. It's a lot of work just for lettuce, man. Craftsman drill bit, 60 piece set, drill bit set. Of course, it says drill bit set, but it's fairly, if not majority, drive bits. Anyway, 1998 for this Craftsman set. Comes in the handy dandy case. I wish the picture showed it open because it's a little obscured here. We got some nut drivers. You got a spade bit back there. You got some steel, metal drill bits. You have some wood bits over here. Another rail of drive bits. Bit holder looks like over here. So nice little 60-piece set, 1998 on Amazon. You do get 10% cash back if you have a Prime Visa card. They have a lot of different stuff right now where you can get that 10% cash back, which if you're going to buy it anyways, why the hell not? Take advantage. If you don't have the Prime Visa card, there is a link there that brings you to a post where you can sign up. I don't know what the current offer is, but a lot of times you sign up, you get a $50 gift card, or I think the highest I've ever seen it was a $200 gift card. I think that was gearing up for Black Friday or something, but usually there's some promotion when you go to that link you can find. Ace Hardware, $19.99. Acme Tools, $35.48. Got a Hyper Tough screwdriver set over at Walmart. Normally about $11, down to $7.43. I did see this was low stock, so it is in stock right now. By the time you watch, is it in stock? I don't know. But cheap for a set of screwdrivers, 6-piece. It's only $1 a piece, a little more for the screwdrivers here. Slotted and Phillips screwdriver set. Jump starter, 4,000 amp battery jump starter, 12-volt car battery booster by Picasso. 251 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 tall steel chip belts. Normally $49.99, however, we have a 50% promo code that is 50, brings it down to $24.99. But I remember when these were consistently over $100. I love the peace of mind. Having one of these in the trunk when you turn the key, or in these days, hit the button. How weird is it to hit the button? Like, I gotta start my car, press the button. You know what I did the other day? I forgot to turn the car off because I always have the stereo blasted, right? And on the BMW, the radio doesn't turn off when you open the door. You can open the door. I think if you close the door with the key not in the car, the radio turns off. I don't know what it is, but the radio stays on when you open the door, right? So, you got a park button and you have an off button. And sometimes I hit the park button, but then I forget the off button. And the music was too loud. I left. I went in the store. I was shopping. I was gone for an hour. I come back and the car's running. Like, what the shit? Why is the car running? It's like, did I actually hit the remote start button? No. It was running the whole time. It was funny because my miles per gallon dropped like 2 miles per gallon. I was like, oh, yeah, that's because the car's been idling for an hour or so. Anyway, I don't know what that has to do with the jump starter, but damn it, that was kind of annoying. $24.99 on this. Is that what that was? $24.99. Gotta have the jump starter. For dead batteries, not for leaving cars running. That's unrelated. It's just me being stupid. Rechargeable flashlight, LED spotlight flashlight, 10,000 capacity, 1,200 lumen, 20-hour ultra-long standby. It's by Alps Wolf. Got the USB output, kind of nice. Camping or something, you can be able to charge your cell phone up with it. Rechargeable spotlight. You got lights on either end. You got spot, you got flood. You got options. Starts out at $22.39, 45% off. Wish they'd make it $50, a little easier math. So you're going to be a little over $11 for your 1,200 lumen spotlight that can charge your cell phone. It's like a little MacGyver light. Professional digital meat thermometer. Now this one I did post yesterday, and I did not check the promo code for a little disclaimer. Hopefully it's still working. But we have the digital meat thermometer. I love the auto rotate actually because I'm left-handed and these things seem to be designed for right-handed people. So I gotta do like a little ambidextrous balancing act whenever I have to use the one I have because it does not auto rotate. Bright LED screen, highly waterproof. I still probably wouldn't put it in the dishwasher or nothing, but maybe. You just jam that in your meat, and it tells you how hot your meat is. Bring it up to 160. So 160 or 165? Close enough. It'll cook a little extra even when you get it off. $19.99, but 60% promo code. It's going to take $12 off. You're going to pay $8. You always know how hot your meat is. Now let me show you this Lowe's deal. Okay, so this is a Lowe's deal of the day for $6.28. There's actually several of them I think are pretty good and worth mentioning. You got the benchtop planer Craftsman 12.25. That's 12 and a quarter. $249 down from $379. I need to get myself a planer. I want a planer, so I got a little hand. We don't care about the hand planer. I need a bench top planer. I got planing to do, fellas. Now we have the DeWalt, kind of goes with the planer. 12-inch, 15-amp, dual bevel, sliding compound miter saw. Normally $6.29. Sounds like a little rich for my blood, but $3.49. We're liking that a lot. Now, I really like my cordless one, but I would like to upgrade the corded one at some point. $3.49. Sounds like a good option. This is the DWS 779, 12-inch, 15-amp. Got the hedge trimmer. I had to throw that in there, satisfy the hedge trimmer mafia. I don't want them coming for me. 22-incher down to $89. Now, there's two Cobalt deals I really like. You can't go wrong with either one, really. But if you're already in Cobalt's lineup, or if you have any interest in starting to get some Cobalt tools, because they really do have some good promotions over at Lowe's for the Cobalt stuff, and it's exclusive, obviously, to Lowe's, so you're relying on them providing the promotions, but they always have really good, like, free tool stuff, and the Cobalt things that I've used, which isn't a ton, but like 6 or 7 tools, have been really nice. I've been impressed with it. Anyway, this first deal is the 4-amp-hour battery, but you're going to get a free starter kit to go with it. So for today as the deal of the day, it's half price, normally $99 down to $49. That's going to get you a 4-amp-hour battery. It's also going to get you the starter kit, which is a 2-amp-hour battery, but with the charger. If you go this with some kind of bare tool deal, and you're going to be probably real close to under $100, and you'll have yourself 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool. And of course, they have other promotions going on where if you buy a tool, you get a free battery or vice versa. So you can end up with 3 batteries and the tool to go with it. Now, this other deal, you're getting a 2-pack of 4-amp-hour batteries with the charger for $59. So here, this top one, 1 4, 1 2 in the charger. This one, 2 4s and the charger, $10 more. This one's probably the better deal for you. But if you want to save the $10 or for some reason you want the 2, the $49 one, I mean, they're both good deals if one sells out or whatever. Another Craftsman screwdriver bit set. That first one we looked at was a 60-piece set. This one's a 40-piece set. A little bit different options in here. $9.98 for today only. Again, if you're a silver or gold member over at Lowe's, you're going to get free shipping. Otherwise, you have to get up to, I think it's $45 to get free shipping at Lowe's. You can always pick up or buy online, pick up in store as well. Craftsman door lock kit, normally $30 down to $19.48, but in new doorknobs. And the 7 1/4-inch 24-tooth circular saw blade, normally $9 down to $6.48. It's always a good time to upgrade your circular saw blade. So those are the deals for today, guys. Really wanted to get those in. Don't really do a Sunday video, but I kind of liked a few of those. Really, that induction heater, we don't see those on sale very often, and it's a really good price, especially when you look at the historical pricing of it, or if you look at other similar induction heaters on Amazon. I'm hopeful that the price in general is coming down on those, because I really want one. I've never used one, but I've wanted one for a while. They're just super expensive. So seeing a couple come down, I really like that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.